If you're like me, you like using gadgets to help you create unique content with your action cam. For this, I have found it extremely useful to have a good remote control. Unfortunately, besides being glitchy, these remote controls are often camera specific and therefore wildly expensive. The Insta360 X4 is a good example. It's an amazing camera, but the GPS remote is glitchy and the preview remote is crazy expensive. That's a lot of money. But what if I would tell you there is a cheaper way to express your creativity? Nowadays, most cameras have amazing apps, but you might feel uncomfortable bringing your big, expensive phone into a creative environment. So why not get a cheap, small phone that can do everything an expensive remote can do, and probably better? Just make sure the phone can run the app. As you can see, it works fine and it's not much bigger than the official remote. But it's a third of the price and you can listen to music with it. Anyway, that's just a little tip from me. You're free to make your own choices, of course, but I know I have more fun ways to spend my cash. So I hope you found this video interesting, and as always, happy hunting.